It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday. Here's my garden update, balcony garden update. What you're staring at are some collard greens. I haven't had a chance to take some out and put in another container yet, which I should be trying to hurry up and do, but hopefully I get there soon. But I'm growing collard greens. If they don't make it, this is the best growth I've ever tried at growing some greens to get this big. I love it. So that's the collard greens, and over here is a nice healthy bell pepper plant growing in here with this lemon tree. The lemon tree I told y'all came back to life because I refreshed the soil. I think I need to do that to quite a few of my plants. So that's good for that. And hold on, let's turn around. On this side, the garlic chives are still going good. Look at the dill growing up. I have harvest dill and I harvest some garlic chive, and it's still giving. This is the jalapeno peppers, still growing. That's the basil, and in the background you see those serrano peppers. Yep. And there's the say goodbye to rosemary, sage, and mint came back to life. There is the oregano, and here is the marjoram. Getting big. Marjoram, summer sage, I don't know. It's either the tarragon, trying to show you in the background, tarragon or summer savory. I'm not sure which one. Celery, not celery, parsley. I think this is tarragon. I think the one in the back might be summer savory, but I'm gonna regrow some and get used to what the leaves look like, so I'll know. It's all good. I still harvest and use it. This tomato plant look like it's finished. It's not doing anything. I think I'm gonna cut it down. Yeah, cut this tattered tomato plant down. It's not producing anything else, but don't y'all forget to go and check out the other participants in this collaboration. I'm sorry I was late to respond on your channel, but I have looked at the videos on my TV. So I did watch your content to my collaboration participants. I watch it on the TV. I just needed to come and support you on my desktop so I can leave a comment and thumbs up your video. That's it, which I did. But happy Saturday. This is just a share of what's going on out here. And the other cherry tomato plant, hold on. Cherry tomato still producing, and the bell pepper plant is doing what it's doing. But as you can see, sorry about that quick move, I'm growing another bell pepper plant. But There you go though. Pull it close. You can see them cherry tomatoes still growing on that plant. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, have a great gardening day. Don't forget, check out the participants and check out all the folks you see on this channel. Bye. Support them. Subscribe.
I'll see you on the next one.